The GE Countertop microwave oven stands out with its sensor cooking controls. This innovative technology monitors moisture levels inside the unit, automatically adjusting cooking times for perfect results every single time. No manual intervention needed to ensure consistency. Safety is a crucial aspect of any household appliance, especially in homes where children are present. The child lock feature on this GE model provides peace of mind by preventing accidental operation from curious little hands while still allowing adults full access and convenience when using the microwave for everyday tasks like reheating food or defrosting meals quickly without hassle. The powerful performance offered by 1150 watts ensures that dishes are heated up swiftly from small snacks to large family servings. With a spacious interior measuring 1.6 cubic feet, this GE microwave can accommodate various sizes comfortably and efficiently, making meal preparation faster on busy days when you're short on time but not willing to sacrifice quality or portion size. Currently priced at $185 after being discounted from its original price point of around $234, makes it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable appliance that offers great value. However, before purchasing any microwave oven, including this GE model, verifying details directly through Amazon's product page is essential to ensure alignment with both budgetary constraints and spatial requirements. Checking the dimensions up front: approximately 21.75 inches wide by 12.87 inches high and 17.75 inches deep is crucial for avoiding any surprises about fit in your designated spot, whether it's a home kitchen or an apartment setting. This ensures that you can install this reliable appliance seamlessly without compromising on convenience, safety measures like the child lock feature, nor performance capabilities. In summary, taking these verification steps before making a purchase decision allows you to confidently enjoy and benefit from features such as sensor cooking controls and powerful heating capacity while enhancing daily kitchen tasks effortlessly over time.